Shockwave is one of the most spectacular things that our spectators enjoy. Imagine sitting in this powerhouse. Right behind you are 3 jet engines as you sit in the cab of this once Peterbilt truck, hauling goods from one end of our nation to the other, now converted into the incredible jet-powered truck that it is. The grill is completely open as you sit in this cage of welded steel. All the air that feeds the jet engines rushes in the grill of that truck and comes right by you as the driver or the passenger. The intakes of the jet engines are at your elbows. Ladies and gentlemen, driven by Mr. Kent Shockley, it is Shockwave. Belching fire over 50 feet behind Shockwave. The heat shimmering off of the runway. Imagine being out here on the interstate. Somebody gets a little too close. Would you like to have a button that does that? Sponsored by Courtesy Car City. You won't find this in their showroom Monday morning, but lots of great automobiles that ought to be in your garage. Chrysler, Jeep, Lincoln, Mercury, Nissan, and Kia, thank you, Courtesy, for bringing Shockwave back to the Quad Cities. Laying the smoke out, ladies and gentlemen, Dale Zood from Courtesy Car City, riding in Shockwave today. I don't know what he's going to be talking about tomorrow or Monday morning at work, what that Monday morning sales meeting might be like, but I'll bet you he's talking about his ride in Shockwave. We want to thank our friends once again at Courtesy Lincoln Mercury for making Shockwave a reality at Quad City. Listen to him, he runs it up and starts the afterburns. Here's the way this is supposed to work. He'll go down here to the far right-hand side of our show area. He'll light the afterburners. He'll accelerate in split seconds to over 300.
Yeah, I know. This is awesome,
Ladies and gentlemen, the ground crew for Shockwave will make a walk around the Peterbilt. The individual you see down there is going to walk around the Peterbilt and check and make sure that everything is in order for today's run, that nothing is out of place on Shockwave. Runs the engines up and look for brake release in just a moment. Here comes Shockwave.